Cool. Hi. Yamaha Portasound PSS 360. My first digital keyboard. Way back 1987, 86. So, how many years ago? 36 years ago. Nandito pa nga yung sticker ko. Okay, yan. Kinabit ko yan eh. I would like to thank Sir Arnel Maglaki for restoring my keyboard. Ayan, ayos. Yung pinlay ko kanina was one of our originals ni Marvin Torres and Danny Ursal during our first year college na band na puro keyboard na ganito, malilit. Tingnan mo, malilit. Yeah, this is part of my musical foundation. Ayan. I started with piano before I shifted to electric guitars. Anyways, nakakabata ulit. Naalala yung panahon nun when I was starting pa lang with, of course, again, Marvin Torres and Danilo Ursal. And ayan po, umaandar na naman yung pagiging sentimental ko kasi nahawakan ko na naman tong beloved keyboard. Ginamit din namin sa Last Generation Band, kasama sila Kuya Manny, Ate Del, Ate Luz, Ate Tek, Kuya Val. Ayan. Pero ang masarap dito, at least yun nga, mga nauna kong instrumento bumalik sa akin. Again, I would like to thank Kuya Manny Alvarez for taking care of this keyboard for how many decades? Bago niya ibinalik sa akin. At least buo pa mandar. And again, thank you kay Sir Arnel Maglaki. Again, peace. It's another Sentimental Monday. Bye-bye.